Hello everyone, welcome back to the course Autodesk Fusion 360 for beginners. And in this lesson, we are going to design a vase. And to design it, we'll have to learn two tools which are really used when we are drawing symmetric designs. In this case, these ones are offset and also revolve. In this case, to start, we'll start by selecting the type of design that we want. In this case, we can select hybrid, and we can also select part design, but I prefer selecting hybrid design. And you can select create new. Now you have to set the view that you want to place your drawing. In this case, the view which best represents your drawing. And for this view is the front view. So you'll click front view, and then you'll go to the solid feature and you will select create a sketch. And then you'll start a sketch in that view. So you select it, and then you'll go to the toolbar and you'll select the line tool. And also make sure that you go to the sketch palette so that you can change the operation to construction line. So select it, and then you can set, for example, a dimension as, for example, 160 millimeters, and click OK. So that's the line which will be our axis, which will enable us to, in this case, create the revolve. So now we'll draw the baseline. So we'll go to the toolbar and we'll select the line tool. And also make sure that you deactivate the construction line to draw normal lines in this case. So deactivate it, and then you go to the origin, and for example, you can set baseline as, for example, 20 millimeters, and then click OK. Now we'll be using another tool which will be helpful in this design. In this case is the feed point spline. So we'll select it, and then we'll go to the hand point and make sure that you go directly to the hand point. So you select the hand point in this case, and now you can start doing the shape of your face, the proper face. In this case, it mainly depends on the face that you're drawing. But for this one, we can go to the left and we can select it once, and then we can draw our shape. In this case, we can go upwards in this case, and then click once again, and then we can go upwards again, and then we can set, for example, the same height as this point. So this will be, in this case, our reference. So in this case, you'll see that they are completely aligned, and then you can select once, and then you can tick. So now we'll be using the offset tool. So you'll go to the toolbar and you'll see offset. So you'll select it, and then you select the line that you want to create the offset. In this case, which will duplicate a line. So you'll select it once, and then you'll see that the arrow will appear. So you can move it outer or inner. In this case, we can move it inner, and we can set, for example, a dimension as -5, and then we can click OK. Now we just need to close it so that we can have our shape, and then we can be able to create the revolve feature in this case. So we'll go to the toolbar and we'll select line tool, and then we'll close our shape. We'll close it, and then we'll close it also this one. So you can close it, and then you'll see that it will highlight. In this case, it means that we'll be able to revolve it. So now we can finish a sketch. So now let's revolve. So we'll go to the solid feature and we'll select create, and then we'll select revolve. In this case, you'll see that it already highlighted blue, so it means that the first profile is already selected. So now we just need to select our axis. In this case, the axis will be that construction line that we've created in our sketch. So we'll select it, and then you'll see that our face has been generated. So it means that our face is done, as you see. Then we can click OK. That's our face in this case. So that mainly depends on the face shape. In this case, it can be a little bit with a better height in this case, but this is our reference face in this case. So thank you all for being here until now, and I hope to see you all in the next lesson. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel so that YouTube can update you each and every time that a video of this course is uploaded. Thank you all, and see you in the next one.